little ducklings. And the family is just protecting them. It's like, cute little ducklings. That's over there. And the whole family is out here. So, ain't just no one person stepping up to these ducklings. They scaring the poor little squirrel right here. He keep trying to come over here. They hissing and doing all types of stuff. We got some of them in the swimming pool. They got some kids givers out there keeping an eye on the little ducklings. And then you got this kid giver up here keeping an eye on the little ducklings. And there go the ones right there. And there go the squirrel trying to get in where he fit in, and he don't fit in.